Take your eyes off of me so I can leave. I'm far too ashamed to do it with you watching me. This is never ending, we have been here before. But I can't stay this time, 'cause I don't love you anymore. Please stay where you are, don't come any closer.